Hi, my name's Ted Rakiewicz. I've been working here at Perinton Rec for over 20 years. I do pool maintenance in the morning, everything from checking chemicals, stabilizing the waters, to floor cleaning and pool vacuuming, stuff like that. This is our newest vacuum. It's called a BeakBot. This is more of a preventative maintenance, getting loose debris off the bottom. We alternate pools, so one night it's in the leisure pool, one night it's in the lap pool, and we keep flopping back and forth. I'm up early. I love getting up early. I like the combination of doing maintenance and lifeguarding as well. The combination of the two is very rewarding. These two things are filters for the pool that filter out the debris and stuff. These four containers are full of sand. So what we do every day in the morning when I get in, I check the pressures. There's an in and an out pressure, and we check the pressures on these two gauges just like on the other two. These are all our chlorine tablets, which we use to sanitize the pool. We just look inside here and make sure that they have some tablets inside of them. There are certain things the health department wants only certified pool operators to do. There are several of us here are certified pool operators who go through a training class and certification to get more in-depth into the chemistry and the pump settings and everything like that. And this is for testing chlorine. You know, there are lap pools everywhere, but the leisure pool, the walking current channel, and the vortex are just awesome features of the Select 7. And one of the other things that I do in the morning is a daily slide check, just to go up and look inside the slide and make sure that there's no debris or anything else like that for when the slide gets used later in the day. My coworkers here are wonderful. The guards are fantastic. All the supervisors who work in the aquatic center are awesome. We have great relationships and everyone's very, very friendly here.